Welcome to Tapasya Technovation, where smart IoT solutions meet advanced industrial automation. Smart IoT firefighting system, designed as per the Maharashtra Fire Prevention and Life Safety Measures Act 2006, ensuring real-time monitoring, notification and alerts to match the fire safety compliance. Traditional fire systems detects incidents only after smoke or fire occurs. There is no predictive fire system failure detection. Late alerts and manual intervention cause slow emergency response. This results in operational shutdown, infrastructure damage, and human casualty. There is no centralized dashboard to monitor fire systems across multiple locations, making large buildings and campuses difficult to manage. Traditional fire systems offer limited or no remote access, preventing real-time visibility during emergencies and delaying critical decision-making. Maintenance schedules are tracked manually, with no automated alerts for faulty or inactive systems, leading to compliance gaps and audit failures. These real-life fire incidents show that lack of monitoring and delayed response continue to cause major loss of life and property. To address these challenges, the Maharashtra Fire Prevention and Life Safety Rules mandate automated continuous monitoring systems for firefighting systems in high-rise buildings, malls. Under the amendment rules, fire safety must comply with NBC and Indian standards. Systems must remain operational in good condition, and certified audit reports must be submitted through authorized fire safety auditors. Regulations define the requirement, but technology delivers the solution. Our smart IoT framework ensures fire safety systems remain compliant, connected, and always operational. The existing firefighting control panel is connected to an IoT gateway, enabling real-time data capture from fire systems without disturbing existing workflow. All fire system data is securely transmitted from the control panel to the cloud through the IoT gateway using encrypted communication protocols. The system supports multiple cloud platforms like 3TP, AWS, Azure, and private cloud services, giving flexibility based on customer or regulatory requirements. This architecture ensures secure data transmission with encryption and protection, preventing unauthorized access and ensuring data integrity. The system supports multiple cloud connections simultaneously, ensuring high availability, redundancy, and uninterrupted monitoring. Authorized users like super admins, customer admins, and end users can access data securely, and the system can integrate with third-party ERP, MES, SAP, and government platforms. This centralized dashboard provides a single view of all connected sites with location mapping and live system health status. This is a live dashboard showing real-time hydrant and sprinkler pressures, pump running status, trip conditions, and system modes for immediate action. Dashboard also showing real-time pressures, tank levels for instant action. The system automatically sends reports to authorized agencies, end users, and integrated software platforms. Our IoT-based fire safety system delivers real-time monitoring of active and passive firefighting systems, ensuring continuous visibility and rapid response. A centralized dashboard provides instant alerts and remote access through web and mobile devices. The system monitors control panels, repeater panels, and generates compliance-ready automated reports aligned with ACMS rules. Critical parameters such as hydrant line pressure, sprinkler flow, diesel pump fuel and battery status, and underground and overhead fire tank water levels are tracked continuously, including leak detection. Designed for high-rise buildings, malls, industries, hotels, and hospitals, our TT IoT platform supports secure multi-protocol communication, OTA upgrades, and cloud integration with AWS and Azure. Fully compliant with the Maharashtra Fire Prevention and Life Safety Measures Act, ensuring safety, reliability, and regulatory confidence. Connect smart, stay safe. Tapasya Technovation delivers intelligent fire safety solutions.